In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos from LinkedIn. We'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end, you'll be able to save a LinkedIn video to your device for offline viewing. Quick reminder before we start, always respect copyright and the creator's rights. Only download content you have permission to save or use. Begin on your phone or tablet by opening the LinkedIn app. Use the search bar or scroll your feed to find the video you want. When you spot it, tap to open the post so the video is front and center. Now look for the three-dot menu, usually at the top right of the post or beside the video player. Tap Share, then select Copy Link. You should see a short confirmation that the link was copied to your clipboard. That link points directly to the post containing the video. Next, switch to your web browser and open Google. In the search bar, type Download LinkedIn Video. You'll see a list of online tools that can handle the download. Open the first result you see. It should load a page with a box where you can paste your LinkedIn link. If the site is covered in pop-ups or looks suspicious, close it and go back to your results. Pick a trustworthy site and avoid clicking unrelated ads or buttons. You don't need to sign in anywhere or grant special permissions. Paste the link you copied from LinkedIn into the box and tap Download. The site will fetch the video and prepare it for saving. In a moment, your browser should start the download. Depending on your device, you may be asked to confirm or choose a location. Accept the download and wait for it to finish. Larger videos take longer to process, so using Wi-Fi is a good idea to avoid mobile data charges. Some downloader pages offer multiple quality options. Choosing a lower resolution saves storage, while higher resolution keeps text sharper if you plan to present or zoom in. If your browser blocks the download, look for a small prompt near the top of the screen and allow it. When the download completes, check your files. On iPhone or iPad, open the Files app and look under Downloads. On Android, check the Downloads app or the download folder in your file manager. On a desktop, open your browser's Downloads list or the Downloads folder. From here, you can rename the file or move it to a folder you prefer. And that's it. Open LinkedIn, copy the video link, search Google for a LinkedIn downloader, open the first result, paste the link, and tap Download. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your saved videos.